Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make pounded yam fufu. One of my subscribers asked me to make this recipe, so I just want to show you guys how to make a pounded yam fufu. Right inside this bowl is the flour with the yam flour. Right inside this bowl, which is this sachet you're seeing right here, is the yam, the pounded yam, which is the flour, the yam flour right inside this sachet. You can buy this yam pounded yam in any African shop close to you. You can buy it. You can find this in any of these African shop. I'll be using this flour, this yam flour, to make this fufu. Okay, I need this turning stick to turn the fufu. Okay, then I have to put a pot in the fire, water on it. As you can see, there is water inside this pot that will be enough for me to make the fufu. There is nothing added to this water, and just water, no salt, nothing spicy inside. So I will allow this water to parboil before starting making the fufu. As you can see very well, the water is boiled enough, so I have to take some part of the boiling water because I will be needing it later. Okay, now I've taken some parts of the boiling water, so I just have to put the flour, the yam flour, little by little. Okay, just put it this way and start turning it round. Okay, just continue turning it. The water I put aside is just in case of necessity. If I need some water, that I will be adding to the fufu. Okay, this is how you have to turn it. Just keep turning it. Okay, just keep turning it this way. You just mix it. Try to blend it together. Just try blending it together this way. Okay, when it's still a kind of light, add some flour and you turn. In this time around, if you lower your gas in order to allow the fufu to be burning. Okay, just lower it. As you can see, it's hard right now, so I have to add the water. Okay, the hot water I put aside, I have to add water in and keep turning. Okay, I can see it's hard right now. You can see the white one, so we don't need it. You just have to keep turning it, make it blend together. Okay, add some water if it's very strong and keep turning. Okay, just keep turning it. As you can see, there is not this white stuff that I've just showed to you right now. Then we have to add some water. Okay, add some water. So now you cover it up, turn it around so that there will be space for the water. Then you cover it up for some few minutes, like 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, and you wait. Now you open it up after some few minutes, and you turn the fufu again. Keep turning it. Okay, just turning it. As you can see, it's more lighter right now. It's lighter, so just turn the fufu. When you are making this fufu, don't let it to be very strong or very light. Not too light, not too strong. Okay. And you just turn it this way. Make sure all is blend together. Okay guys, as you can see, we're almost done. You can see that. Okay, it's very smooth. Okay, so that is what we want. I'm done. It's ready, so I just have to wrap it up. If you're not eating it now, so I just have to wrap it up. Okay, I got some lion right here, so now I wrap. Now I have wrap on right here, so I just have to take some part of the fufu, put it right here and wrap. Okay guys, just cover it up this way and wrap it. Okay, that is it. Just do it this way. If you are not eating it now, so just do it this way and then put it in your hot flask to keep it warm. Keep it warm. Okay, just do it this way. Okay guys, as you can see, it's set and done. You can see it's set and done. Thank you very much. Okay, it's very easy, simple to follow. You can see that, very easy. You can use it to eat any soup of your choice, ogbolo, banga soup, egusi soup, any soup of your choice. Okay, you can go with it. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.